happens. This is democracy. Right?
On the eve of Election Day, Wisconsin again in the national spotlight.
If you want to come with me, I'd love to take you.
Volunteers in their final pitch, current Supreme Court Justice Rebecca Dallett rallying supporters Monday in Greendale for Milwaukee County Judge Janet Protasewicz. Protasewicz herself off the campaign trail for several days. Her campaign says with a respiratory infection.
Even from your race five years ago, are you uncomfortable at all with how political these races have become?
Well, what I think is happening here really is for candidates to be able to communicate what their values are to the voters. And that is something that, yes, we've seen more of that as time has gone on. But I think that that's an important part of running for office. Now, that doesn't mean that a justice is going to rule a certain way on a case.
Let's hear it for Dan Kelly.
Tonight, former Justice Daniel Kelly stopping in 7 cities today.
I'm told that the eyes of the nation are upon us as we approach Tuesday.
Wrapping up a weekend-long statewide blitz, including here in Cedarburg, in what has become the most expensive judicial race in U.S. history.
She's talking about bringing her politics to the court and using her political views to resolve cases instead of the law. Now, the reason she needs to bring in so much money is because I don't think the people of Wisconsin want to have anything to do with that. Now, we've had enough raised that I'm confident that we've gotten all the information that folks need to know to make an intelligent choice.
Matt, do we have any sense of how close this race is?
So, Patrick, there's been no public polling in this race. Republican and Democratic strategists I'm talking to believe that Protasewicz has the edge, but they also both quickly add there is a path to victory for both candidates tomorrow, and it's all going to come down to turnout.
Matt Smith reporting live in the newsroom tonight.